May balita ako na may gini-gatekeep ka na ME ah. Share mo naman.
Latafa Dynasty. Ooh.
What is up sa mga pababangong mahilig? What is up sa mga mahilig sa pabango? This is your boy, Obi Terence, and kasama ko ngayon si...
Amoy Piranha!
Sorry na.
Welcome back again dito sa episode namin which we review random perfumes. It doesn't matter kahit anong pabango yan, we review it here in our channel. So for today's episode, we're going to review something matagal ko nang gini-gatekeep, Boss Terence. At sabi ko, why not? Share natin kay Boss Terence. Tapos sabi ni Boss Terence, huwag mo na yung gatekeep, admin. I-share na yan sa community natin, okay? Something parang hindi masyado pinag-uusapan.
Yes.
No?
And I think it deserves more attention.
Sobra. I think this was released year 2025. Last year lang ito nirelease.
Last year lang, yes.
And the perfumer behind nitong pabango na to, syempre sikat na perfumer din. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Mr. Alex Lee. Okay? So si Mr. Alex Lee, marami na siya na maggawa ng mga pabango. Like for example, ginawa niya yung Velvet Fusion from the brand of Dolce Gabbana, from the private line, and mga ibang pabango pa. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin, Boss Terence, ikaw muna yung tatanungin ko, kamusta ang experience mo sa itong pabango na to? Let's do the in-depth review.
Well, first full wear experience, I love it. Wow. I love it so much. I would describe it as, basically, i-describe ko muna anong amoy niya.
Sure, no problem.
So, it is a tea-based scent.
Yeah.
It has ginger. It has a little fruity note because of the raspberry.
Yes.
Pero guys, before you jump into the conclusions, kasi narinig niyo yung ginger, narinig niyo yung fruity, narinig niyo yung, ano ba yung isa? Tea.
Tea.
Ang unang isipin niyo, baka nasa realms of imagination yan eh. But no. Okay? Ibang-iba siya. Now, how would I describe this? It opens up medyo, yun nga, may konting jammy tartiness ng raspberry that gives it the sweetness. And
Yes.
konting tartiness nga. May ginger sa opening, pero hindi siya yung parang pumuputok o yung polarizing na ginger.
Polarizing ginger.
Oo. Yung tea niya, very subtle lang eh. Hindi siya yung amoy, yung parang sa imagination, black tea ba yun? Or green tea?
Oo.
Parang more on parang fruity tea yung vibes
Fruity
niya.
tea. Based on Latafa website, sabi daw nila it's a rooibos tea.
Rooibos
Although
tea.
hindi pa kami nakatikim noon. Nakatikim ka naman ng
Hindi pa.
Ako rin hindi pa ako nakatikim noon eh. Pero it feels like parang yung image na nakukuha ko sa tea na yun, parang red, no? That's why makikita nyo dito, from the bottle, it's the red. Parang siyang Dior Homme or Dior Homme Intense na style na bote, no? It represents that rooibos tea. And so on, yeah?
Pero, tea na tea eh. Pati yung
Diba?
straw, kala mo, pang milk tea.
Yun nga eh. Pwede ka lang pumunta Taiwan, no?
Kulang na lang, boba eh. Pero anyway, kidding aside, no? Ang naging actually prominent sa akin, sa kanya, is lagi kong sinasabi kay Armin na parang setting aside the tea, the jammy raspberry,
Yeah.
I find it very woody. And actually, it reminds me of parang Santal 33 because
Actually, yes. Yung Santal 33, speaking of Santal 33, yung very present yung pencil shavings niya.
yes, very much.
So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung pencil shavings kasi, that's coming from the cedar wood. Cedar wood kasi minsan depende pa rin sa blend yan, how they blend it well with the other ingredients or raw materials na nagkikreate siya ng accord ng pencil shavings. But the pencil shavings yung maaamoy nyo dito, it feels like parang, I feel like smart pag nakasuot ka ng parang pencil shavings na pabango, no? Do you feel like smart pag sinusuot mo itong pabango na to?
Mas, parang nerdy yung
Nerdiness
dating.
yung datingan eh.
Ang hirap i-explain eh. Pero, kasi ang hirap rin i-describe sa tao kung ano yung appeal ng isang woody-based fragrance, if that makes sense.
Yes.
Kasi ang tao sanay sa fruit forward, citrus
Yes.
forward, or ano pa ba? Fresh.
Freshy perfumes or vanilla forward.
And that's also one reason why ako honestly hindi ko nagustuhan yung Santal 33. Kasi
Ako nagustuhan ko yun. I love that.
Oo. Kasi purely naaamoy ko parang amoy woody pencil shavings lang ako.
Na may pagkalumang libro.
Yes, parang old book. But ito kasi, because of the combination of the tea, the raspberry, the ginger, for some reason, it all comes together.
Yeah.
And I tend to I tend to reach for it, not because I want to smell good eh. It's
Yeah.
more on, I feel so relaxed.
Yeah.
Parang meditation vibe siya eh.
Very parang zen feel.
Now, having said that, don't expect this to be a very heavy projecting fragrance. Hindi siya ganun
Mga
eh.
puro nuclear bismuth. Please,
Hindi.
no.
So, parang, ang dinidescribe ko nga kanina kay Armin is parang naka-envelope siya. Parang hanggang dito lang talaga siya. Ikaw lang talaga nakakaamoy.
Nakakaamoy, yeah.
Pero it's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
Actually, it's for me, it's very therapeutic.
Yes.
So kahit nasa bahay lang ako, feeling ko nasa stress ako or what, pag na-spray ko to, parang feeling ko talaga kakalma ako eh.
You tend to look for this perfume, no? To
Parang
make
ganun.
you that parang calm effect. Actually, for me, Boss Terence, it feels like parang I feel not only smart, and at the same time, I feel I wanna be parang at peaceful. Ayokong parang may kausap akong tao, gusto ko lang mag-isa lang ako. Yung parang gusto mo lang,
Parang you don't feel like socializing.
Oo, you want
extrovert
to,
ka
parang
vibes.
gusto mo maging introvert naman for
Sorry,
this
introvert,
particular
yes,
day,
correct,
di ba?
correct.
Parang gusto mo lang mag-isa lang,
Tama,
ayaw mong
tama.
kausapin mga ibang tao, you wanna go in a coffee shop, you just wanna read books lang kung nagbabasa ka, okay? Or you wanna listen to the music, you wanna feel at your own parang world, di ba? Ganun yung datingan niya. Hindi ko alam kung nakukuha mo dito yung may pagka-powdery, creamy feel. I don't know what's that. Parang siya fruity na, I don't know, what do you get that? How do you get that, yung fruitiness? Do you get that fruity feel?
Yung sa raspberry, in-explain ko kay Armin, I don't smell it as parang fresh raspberries eh. Hindi siya yung parang juicy na maasim na matamis. Parang raspberry jam yung naaamoy ko eh.
May silky, no? May pagkalagkit konti.
May lagkit siya eh.
But in a watery way, very, very parang mineralic way na parang yung gano'n yung jamminess niya. Nakukuha mo dito yung pagka parang, I don't know what's that. I do get that parang confectionery na parang powdery feel, parang cakey type of a scent. Do you get that? Parang fruit cake.
Oy, kanina nagtatalo kasi kami ni Armin. Sabi ni Armin, alam mo, Boss Terence, medyo amoy ano to eh. May sinabi kayo nung una eh. Hindi pa fruitcake eh.
Parang pulburon or parang hindi siya parang it's a different type of a cake yung naiisip ko dito eh. It's a very confectionery, parang cakey siya. But very fruity eh. Tends to be fruity
Tapos,
na parang it matches with the tea.
Tapos
Rooibos tea.
it makes sense. Sabi ko, Armin, alam mo ba't mo naisip yung pastry na yan? Di ba, kasi nga, because of the raspberry combination,
Oo nga eh.
raspberry tea, tapos parang gingery vibes. Parang gingerbread yata. yung
Gingerbread!
sinabi.
Yung
Oo.
gingerbread!
Initially,
Gingerbread.
sinabi niya gingerbread.
Oo.
Sabi ko, Armin, hindi gingerbread eh.
Oo.
Fruit
Fruit cake. Fruit cake siya.
Kasi nga, parang may raspberry.
Oo.
Ganun. Pero again, hindi siya yung nagpa-pop. Talagang
Hindi.
parang, andito lang yung
Sariling
scent
bubble
niya.
ka lang.
Oo.
Para nasa sarili kang mundo. Nasa sarili kang planeta mo. Ganun yung pabango
We're
niya.
not saying na hindi ka maaamoy. Maaamoy ka pa rin. Pero don't expect this to be yung parang pagpasok mo sa kwarto, you're announcing your presence. Hindi.
Yeah, no.
But if people walk beside you, maamoy ka nila.
They can
And
smell you
vibe
little
na the vibe na ibibigay mo is parang yun nga, parang
Introvert vibe.
introvert ako pero mukha akong matalino, mukha akong malalim
May pagka-extrovert, ambivert kang energy din konti.
with classiness.
Yeah, with
Oo,
classiness.
yes, ganun.
Actually, this one, they say daw na parang kaamoy niya yung parang LV Imagination and also kaamoy din daw niya yung Velvet Fusion from the brand of Dolce Gabbana, which gawa din yun ni Alex Lee. But it seems like may pagka-similar konti but not totally at all. I think that the tea and the lemon iced tea, it will remind you of Imagination, but hindi siya Louis Vuitton Imagination dupe. And also at the same time, yung parang rooibos tea niya feel, yung parang gingery feel niya with the other base na parang creaminess, very smooth opening. Makukuha mo parang velvet fusion ng Dolce Gabbana. Hindi rin eh. I think it seems like parang sariling creation na din, no, Boss Terence?
Ako, I would disagree sa imagination part eh. Kasi unang-una, wala siyang soapy na rolly eh.
Oo.
So parang ang imagination, ang nakikita ko talaga mas, to be very honest, yung imagination DNA, feeling ko mas appealing siya.
Very appealing,
Oo. Ang napansin ko dito, parang mas mamimili talaga ng wearer ito eh.
Yeah.
It may be more mature, more sophisticated.
Yeah.
Yun nga.
Depende sa taste nila if you're going to gravitating this kind of scent profile. I think this is tend to be parang niche territory na papunta to
Yes,
eh.
very niche.
Hindi
For me,
siya
very niche siya.
parang malingang bote nilagay nila to eh. I think this kind of a perfume it can be inside on an expensive bottle like Tom Ford, Louis Vuitton, and other things. Grabe na ubos-ubos eh.
Sorry.
It can be in an expensive bottle, Boss Teres.
Yes,
Would
yes.
you agree with me
Oo,
na for the fraction of the price, parang hindi siya nagmamatch eh.
Actually,
It's
guys,
high quality.
minention ni Armin, research niya si Alex Lee. Ang dami niyang designer and niche fragrance na siya yung gumawa. So, we went buying this without even knowing na sikat yung perfume.
Siya yung gumawa nun.
Now, parang it's so well blended na parang ngayon medyo magigets mo na parang, wow, ganun kagaling ang ME.
Yun nga
So,
eh.
meron pala sila rin kinuha na magaling magtimpla.
Magaling magtimpla.
Oo.
Which we didn't expect na ganun ka-quality yung nilabas na to.
Yes.
Pero dito nyo din malalaman yung qualityness nitong perfume na to. Minsan kasi sa mga ibang ME, like for example, especially mga heavy base type of a scent, makukuha nyo yung parang may mga parang ambery, may pagka-vanilla, may pagka-sandalwood. This one, I think because of the rooibos tea, or maybe because of the creaminess ng cashmere niya na may pagka parang creamy sandalwood feel, may creamy din kasi Boss Terence, ang sarap eh.
Yes.
Sa tingin ko, in the amount of years or months pass by, the more you age this one, lalong magiging darken yung juice mo dito sa Latafa Dynasty. Would you agree? Would you looking forward to that na ganun yung kalabasan niya siguro after years or
Well, yes.
months?
I mean, it's a welcome development kung mas lumakas din siya.
Yeah.
Because I really don't mind kung mas maging projecting ito. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a scent profile na hindi naman ako nahihiya eh.
Yeah.
Umaamoy ako.
You wanna feel that parang luxury vibe. This is it. Yeah. I think it's one of the best tea scent of the year 2025 na I think we just discovered it right now and hopefully maamoy nyo din tong pabango na to. Okay? And let's go now on our performance. Performance, kamusta ang performance sa'yo, Boss
Well, I'm
Terence?
just gonna share my wearing experience. No? Again, for those who know, I spray it around 7 a.m. in the morning, go to the office, do my thing. Uwi ako ng bahay siguro mga 2-3 p.m. Andun pa rin naman yung amoy. I would say good 6 hours on clothes. On skin siguro mga after 2-3 hours sa skin ko again abnormal yung skin ko. Parang skin scent na siya eh. Pero on shirt I was satisfied. It gave me 6 hours.
6
Tapos
hours.
naligo na ako nun eh.
Actually, same lang din sa akin. Almost parang 6 to 7-ish lang. Pero depende pa rin sa weather performance nito. Pero sa damit, mas matagal siya sa damit sa akin, Boss Terence. Lumalagpas siya ng mga parang 7 to 8 or minsan more than that. As long as you overspray it. Pero I suggest don't overspray it kasi maski mahina siya, it will perform that right amount of hours yung ibibigay sa inyo. Okay? Maybe swerte kayo, maybe tumagal more than 8, di ba? Okay?
Yes.
So, let's go now. Do you think, is this a safe blind buy for our audience, Boss Terence? Yes or no?
Honestly, no. No. Lalo na sa, it really depends, age profile, kung ano hinahanap nyo.
Yeah.
As we mentioned, performance-wise, baka, syempre, mga viewers natin, mga makarasasi performance mga yan eh.
Mga beast mode yung hanap
So, wala lang. Ayaw naming sabihin safe.
Oo. I
So,
think, hindi siya safe blind buy.
Hindi.
You need to have at least maamoy nyo muna to, bumili muna kayo ng decant or try to go on a store kung sino may nagbebenta nito or you go on a sniff session, you discover this one, give it a try and see for yourself if it's bagay ba siya sa character mo, bagay ba siya sa aura mo, saan mo ba siyang okasyon na gagamitin, pang everyday ba, okay ba siya sa'yo or hindi. Now, let's go on the ratings.
Ikaw rin nabubul.
How would you rate it? 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest.
I will give it a 9.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
For me, I would give it then as well 9 out of 10. I think it's one of the I think top tier ni-release ng Latafa so far. Very satisfying. That's parang it's very full bottle worthy on everyone's collection if you are a tea lover
Aminin na natin.
like us.
Successful blind buy. Hindi
Successful.
namin, sinugal namin.
And hopefully na-enjoy nyo itong review namin. Let us know in the comment section. Have you tried Latafa Dynasty? Is it good? Is it bad? Or is it a hate? What's your experience about it? Nothing else to say, Boss Terence? Till next time, Fragrance Family, love you all.
Sayang!
Ang bango!